everyone, welcome to St. Mary's Riken. My name is Steph Bolin and I'm excited to represent the English department today. As an alum of St. Mary's Riken, the class of 2010, I'm thrilled to share with you what makes our department different and very unique. We value approaching text through different perspectives, collaborative classroom environments while focusing on building enduring personal relationships through positive interactions with our students. We encourage faith-based discussion within our classroom as we explore various components of wholesome literature. We offer a lot of different courses within the English department. Here are the courses that we offer for freshmen. Grade 9 English, CP Literature and Composition, as well as Honors Literature and Composition. Some of the anchor texts for the freshman classes could potentially be Lord of the Flies, Life of Pi, The Screwtape Letters by C.S. Lewis, To Kill a Mockingbird by Harper Lee, as well as Julius Caesar and other Shakespearean works. Sophomore year at St. Mary's Riken, students have two different options. The first one is American Literature. The second is Pre-AP Literature and Language. The function of the Pre-AP Literature and Language course is to prepare students and give them the foundations necessary to do well on the AP Lang and Lit exam that they could potentially take as a junior and senior at St. Mary's Riken. We provide a basis for success, so we focus on the concepts, whereas in AP Lang and AP Lit, they would go in further depth. Junior and senior year students have a variety of options that they could take within St. Mary's Riken. For the English department, they could choose from nonfiction, British literature, AP Language and Composition, AP Literature, and Religious Literature. As a department, we practice vertical alignment so that our students are well prepared for their future English courses at St. Mary's Riken, as well as their future education. Students who graduate from St. Mary's Riken are well versed in oral and written communication to prepare them to be contributing members of society. Thank you for your time, and we look forward to seeing you on the St. Mary's Riken campus soon.